I'd quickly pop on and do this video for you. I got your message, this one, and I believe that this is the shirt that you're talking about. I thought I would show you a solution. If you're just looking for something similar, you can make this yourself pretty easily. I just picked up this men's shirt from a second-hand shop. It costs £5. You can probably get ones for cheaper. When you are looking for men's shirts in second-hand shops, always grab something that's good quality, a good label. This material is really good. It looks practically new, like it's never been worn. Let's start with this as a base. We're just going to do up a few buttons of this shirt. I know this isn't as long. All you need are two things: a pair of cutting scissors and a marker. This is a special marker. It's a fabric marker, so if I iron it, it will come off. If you don't have a fabric marker, you can use a bit of chalk, or you can use a pencil because you can rub that out. This shirt is obviously a lot longer, but if we're thinking about proportions of layering, I would probably go, here's hip, here's waist. I would probably go waist. I tend to wear quite a lot of high-waisted trousers, so I can take it to waist. If you wear more low-rise trousers and you want your shirt to go over it, I would go to your hips so that it goes over the trouser a little bit. Also, if you want to think about layering this, you want to think about what top you're layering and where that layer hits to in comparison to where your edge of your shirt's going to be. If you have a little bit of sewing skills, you can run this either on the Z pattern on your sewing machine, or if you're lucky enough to have an overlocker, you can overlock where you're going to cut. But you can just cut with a scissor and have a raw edge. That is exactly what I did to this shirt. Cut with a raw edge, and I haven't stitched it, so you can see the edging is coming out, and I really like that look. And the more you wash it, the more distressed it looks, and I think that's really cool. My waist is here. I'm going to go in the middle of this button and I'm going to cut straight across and down this part of the seam, so the front of the seam, not the back of the seam. But here we are at the shirt. I grabbed a ruler because I want to make this very straight. You can be very accurate if you want. For me, I'm going to take this a little bit lower because I'm going to cut above the blue just so that I don't have to go and iron this to show you. Simple as that. We've got our cutting line now, and as I said before, we're going to cut on the right side of the seam to that line, and now we're just going to cut straight across onto our line. Like that. But now we have this shirt, and we also have this additional bit. It's up to you. If you want to have the length and you have some sewing skills, you could sew this on to the back of the shirt to make it long, and it will look really cool with the little buttons going down the back. If you wanted to add some detail like this piece of cotton coming down, use the excess to cut a bit of detail like that and sew that on. You could also, if you wanted a little bit something extra on the back, you could sew this at the top in the back, which would also look really cute. You'd have that at the front and that at the back. So there's all different things that you can do to add to it. Here we go. You can have it open, or you can do it up. Here is the back, so nice little cape effect. I will do a styling video showing you a few different ways of how to style this shirt that I've just made. I hope that's given you a really good solution to your problem of trying to find something similar to that shirt that you love so much. It's perfect. Let me know if you try it out. Bye.